Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next presentation.
Hi, this is Tom Craft Car. I want to show you my 1972 Chevelle SS. I've come full circle with Chevelles. I had a silver and black Chevelle SS back in 1972. So I've had many cars in between that, and I've come full circle. This particular Chevelle was bought in Dixon, Illinois, where the individual did a total restoration, body off, and rotisserie. It's a 454 cubic inch engine with a 331 rear end and an M22 transmission. Now this unique green paint is different than most of the Chevelles that you see. Most are red, black, silver, or white. This is called spring green, and it is an original General Motors color. And this was the original paint on this car. It's all stock. The wheels, the SS package, the white interior, and the 4-speed M22 rock crusher on the inside. The SS package includes all the gauge package, which covers just about everything you need, such as tachometer, temperature, and amp meter.
How's the car to drive?
It's really nice, easy to drive, very comfortable. The entire suspension was completely redone, so it makes it a very comfortable car to ride in. And obviously, with this 454 engine, even though it's stock, it gets up and goes with no problem at all.
Right. I always love the classic round headlights in the chrome bumper there.
Right, which is very similar to the 1971.
Okay.
The difference between the 71 and the 72 are the tail light, the directional lights.
Okay.
The grille has a piece of chrome on it in 71, and that's it. They're pretty much the same. Now in 72 they did downsize the horsepower on the 454, and that was all part of the pollution packages that they had. But it still develops enough horsepower and torque.
Sure. So what do we have here in this setup? How much horsepower?
Well, actually, the person that rebuilt this motor built it to 71 specs, so it's putting out about 350 horsepower.
Good.
As opposed to the 275, which was supposed to be the factory setting on that.
Have you won car show awards?
In fact, I did last week. I won People's Choice on this vehicle, which surprised me.
There you go. That's nice.
Because I wasn't sure if this was going to be the curse of the green, but it hasn't been.
Right. And does the cowl induction work?
Yes, it does. It's vacuum operated, and so when you get on it, it'll open up.
Yeah, that's gotta be pretty.
Whether it really truly is functional, but it sure looks cool.
Right. Yeah. And then, do you let anyone else drive it?
My son, who loves to. He's 35, and I think he'll carry on with this vehicle. That's always been a question amongst us classic car enthusiasts. Will this carry on into the future? Or is it going to all be newer vehicles? And I think there'll be people like my son who will carry on this legacy.
There you go. That is cool. Any special exhaust?
No, it's completely stock dual exhaust.
There you go.
It still sounds good though.
There you go. Should we start it?
Yes. Again, this is Tom Craft Car, Winfield, Illinois, thanking you for watching this video and hope to see you at a car show.
Don't forget to share and like US Classic Muscle Cars videos.